For the beauty of the earth, for the glory of the skies, for the love which from above over and around us lies. Lord of all, to thee we raise this our song of grateful praise. For the wonder of each hour of the day and of the night, hill and vale and tree and flower, sun and moon and stars of light, Lord of all, to thee we raise this our song of grateful praise.
Who will wipe Mother Earth's tears? Mother Earth is sobbing, and the whole of humanity is groaning, since the entire world is in the deadly clutches of the COVID-19 pandemic. Amidst this crisis, who has to wipe the tears of Mother Earth? Who has to console her? In the gentle rustling of the fruit trees around me, I hear a comforting voice. Wipe away my tears, restore my greenery. In return, I shall heal the wounds of humanity by wiping away this deadly pandemic. We do miss our children who enthusiastically used to celebrate Vana Mahotsava in the month of July. The school is bereft of them. The children have grown up in the lap of Mother Earth. They have spent their cheerful years of childhood in the cool breeze and shade of the trees in the campus, which they planted in the past 11 years since the inception of our school. They haven't forgotten Mother Earth and her cries. They are doing their little service to Mother Earth by undertaking small projects in their homes, by planting a sapling, nurturing a medicinal herb, cultivating a banana shoot, or helping their parents grow a kitchen. We also conducted a number of competitions for our students from LKG to class 12, and I am overwhelmed with their positive response. Our students are spending their locked-in time with joy and enthusiasm in the arms of nature. Today, we will be planting this sapling on behalf of all our staff and students.
वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं, आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं। धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं, धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं। वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। हरी हरी हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो। हरी हरी।
I'm sure these vibrations of love for nature are echoing around me, you and everyone. Happy Vana Mahotsav Day.
COVID-19 is spreading across the world. To save ourselves from this disease, we need to boost our immune system. This is done by medicinal plants. My grandma introduced me to the medicinal plants which we have at home. My garden has all sorts of medicinal plants. I am happy and I thank my grandma for telling me about the medicinal plants. I nurture all my plants well. I request all to plant more medicinal saplings. Let us all build a clean and a green surrounding. Hello all. During lockdown, everyone was asked to stay at home. I started helping my grandpa in gardening, and this is the precious garden which was given life during lockdown. And this is the best way to save nature. Happy Forest Day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
आंगन आंगन हो पेड़ों की छाँव, गुलशन गुलशन हो गुलजार, साफ हो सारी शहर सारे गाँव, ताज़ी हवा मिली हम सांस।
एक ऐसा जहां हर कोई जहां कुदरत से प्यार करे। एक ऐसा जहां हर कोई जहां कुदरत की परवाह करे।
Hi friends, due to this pandemic, no school, no music classes, no swimming, no outings as well. I really got bored at home. Nowadays, people are speaking about boosting one's immunity as there is no medicine for this pandemic. So I thought, why not plant some medicinal plants? Here is my little garden. This neem plant. This is mint plant, also known as pudina. This is dhumyama, also known as nelanani. Today, I'm gonna plant turmeric and ginger. I have made this Panama fruitful by planting these plants. I hope you all do it too. We all of us know about COVID-19 pandemic. Because of this pandemic, we cannot go outside and enjoy ourselves, as well as we cannot go to school. Without school, I'm getting bored inside. So, I'm trying to make my life busy and happy by planting plants. Take a waste plastic box and put mud in it. This is the Indian borage plant. Now I am going to plant it in it. Pour some water. This plant is used to boost our immunity system. This way, I celebrate Vanamohotsava and save our environment using a plastic box. Save plants, save nature. Thank you. काट काट कर पेड़ों को कभी करना जंगल को, ये तो अच्छी बात नहीं हो, ये तो अच्छी बात नहीं। काट काट कर पेड़ों को काली करना जंगल को, ये तो अच्छी बात नहीं हो, ये तो अच्छी बात नहीं। पौधे लगा देना घर घर में, पेड़ लगा देना उसको वन में। पौधे लगा देना घर घर में, पेड़ लगा देना उसको वन में। आओ घर आंगन को सजाए, धरती को हरा भरा बनाए। आओ आंगन को सजाए, धरती को हरा भरा बनाए। फैलाए और उजाला, फैलाए और उजाला। ये तो अच्छी बात रही, 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 ये तो अच्छी बात रही।
Hello friends, during this Vanamotsav month, I can proudly say, nurture nature and nature will nurture you. Friends, this pandemic has restricted us from our social events and are going to school excitements, which I know you will agree with me when I say, I miss you MCCS. Coming to how the nature nurtured us, the Pies family, during this pandemic lockdown is the way how the Pies nurtured the nature. Every Vanamotsav, my brother Elkin and I were made to work by our parents with nature. We didn't like it then, but look at the toil of our hands now. Friends, I just want to say, nurture the nature and the nature will nurture you. Plant more, go green, live green.
Normally during this time, the school is hustling with a lot of activities in the lush green surrounding. Though we take time to run through the puddles, watch the rainbows, look out of the window during the classes going on, and the map brings us back from that surrounding of us. Pandemic imposes restrictions on various people doing various jobs, except for the people who work with nature. This makes us realize the true importance of nature itself. Keeping this in mind, me and my brother, we both decided that we are not going to let the pandemic or lockdown stop us from working with nature and celebrate nature in the week of Vanamotsav.
Friends, watch us as we explore and enjoy nature in our own compound.
It is rightly said, nature is the best teacher. Mount Carmel Central School always instills and encourages us to keep our mind, heart and hands open to connect and care for nature.
As we are celebrating Vanamotsav in this week, I am happy to introduce my terrace garden. These are fenugreek plants, which I have used waste plastic blocks to grow. I am using kitchen waste for making compost. Because of the COVID pandemic, we cannot go to school and celebrate Vanamotsava. So I am making my precious time to plant more and more trees. Save plants, save earth. Thank you. Hello friends. Now look at the beautiful view which can be seen from my house. Yes, my friends, I'm living with this beautiful nature. Nature is natural. There is something about the outdoors that gets our blood flowing smoother and our heart beating stronger. It is rightly said by Jules Kennard that on earth there is no heaven, but there are pieces of it. I think he is speaking about this beautiful nature. And I am happy that I am living in this piece of heaven. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Thought of planting a mango sapling and a neem sapling on this Vanamahotsava.
The true meaning of life is to plant a tree under whose shade you do not expect to sit. So let's plant this mango sapling.
Homemade compost. Let's water the plant now. So join us to nurture the nature so that we have a better future.
पेड़ पौधों को मत करो नष्ट, सांस लेने में होगा कष्ट। हाथ से हाथ आप मिलाएंगे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा वृक्ष लगाएंगे। पेड़ पौधों की करो रखवाली, तभी आएगी सुंदर हरियाली।
कड़ी धूप उजलते पाओ, पेड़ होते तो मिलती जाओ।
During lockdown, I utilized my free time in helping my parents to grow plants. Come, let us see some of them. This is a local spinach. These are long trees. These pumpkin climbers are growing well. Here are some lady finger plants. Now let us see some fruit plants. This is a pineapple plant. Here's the chiku tree. We have made a compost bin where we put all the vegetables and fruit trees. This process recycles various organic materials. Thank you. Bye.
पेड़ पौधों को मत करो नष्ट, सांस लेने में होगा कष्ट। हाथ से हाथ आप मिलाएंगे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा वृक्ष लगाएंगे। पेड़ पौधों की करो रखवाली, तभी आएगी सुंदर हरियाली।
कड़ी धूप उजलते पाओ, पेड़ होते तो मिलती जाओ।
All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little
Abigail.
And I am Craig.
And together, we've started our little team Mission Earth. Our tagline, "Because it starts with me," highlights our role as individuals.
We had a number of activities planned. However, these activities have been stalled due to the ongoing pandemic. We can't wait to get started with our mission.
So we did a little research, and here is a list of few of the major problems that plague our city, Mangalore.
You don't have to look too close to find heaps of garbage that adorn our streets. The obvious solution to this is regular cleanup drives. But first and foremost, we need to urge people to stop littering.
The next problem is the reckless use of single-use plastics. This is an extremely disturbing trend. We think the solution to this is to request businesses and manufacturers to switch over to eco-friendly substitutes. We as citizens should be responsible enough to say a firm no to single-use plastics.
The third and the most serious issue is the large-scale felling of trees for the sake of development, as seen in Valencia and Padil. Protecting the existing tree cover is crucial. On the bright side, we have numerous MNCs.
However, it is important to ensure that species that are native to the locality are planted. Alien or foreign species can cause damage to the soil, deplete the water table, and disrupt the local biodiversity.
Now, while the most practical solution would be to plant more trees in our backyard, those of us who aren't lucky enough to have a backyard have no reason to panic. Balcony gardens or indoor gardens provide a great alternative. While they aren't as effective as outdoor trees, every little bit counts. Indoor plants offer many benefits.
For one, plants like the snake plant and lucky bamboo have been proven by NASA to purify the air within the house from chemicals like formaldehyde. They enhance the ambience of any house setting. And finally, they are a great stress buster.
Composting at home is a great way to reduce your waste footprint. A smart tip would be to mix proportions of greens such as grass and kitchen scraps and browns like dry leaves and thin paper. This would significantly reduce the odor.
We have compiled a short guide that will help you choose the right plant depending on the light conditions in your house.
With limited access to parks and public spaces amid global lockdowns, there has never been a better time to embrace greenery at home. Many children have turned to gardening as a productive way to beat the boredom during lockdown. We tend to forget the importance of plants and often take them for granted. You may think there is nothing much to the plants and trees around us, but they are vital for life and our long-term survival. Gardening can offer children an opportunity of taking up responsibility, caretaking, independence, and environmental awareness. Let us turn this time of crisis in a positive way and help save Mother Nature. On behalf of MCCS family, Happy Vanamahotsav to all our students and parents. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.